Hey there, welcome to Hustle Highway. Today, we're diving into the question on many people's minds. How can you build wealth without quitting your day job? Let's explore three proven methods. One of the most popular ways to build wealth while maintaining a full-time job is through side hustles. Whether it's freelancing, starting an online business, or offering a service, side hustles can provide a significant source of extra income. Investing is another powerful tool for building wealth. Start by creating a budget and setting aside a portion of your income for investments. Consider options like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. Real estate investing can be a lucrative way to build wealth. Explore options like rental properties, real estate investment trusts, REITs, or crowdfunding platforms. A solid financial foundation is essential for wealth building. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Stay updated on financial trends and investment strategies. Invest in your knowledge by reading books, attending seminars, or taking online courses. Building wealth while maintaining a full-time job is achievable. By combining side hustles, smart investing, and disciplined budgeting, you can create a solid financial future. Remember, consistency is key. Keep working towards your goals, and you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Subscribe now for more financial tips and advice.